Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool mirror here, and pretty much what this is a dog crate. With like a collapsible dog bag. They call it a crate because it looks like a crate, but if you hadn't seen for the one that we got right here from this brand, and this is what the package looks like when you guys do get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So once you guys do open it, this is what the inside looks like. If you guys do take it out, once you guys do take it out, this is what the product looks like. If you see how it's all folded up and all nicely wrapped up, let's take it out and open up to show you guys what the inside looks like and how to set it up. So once you guys do take out from the bag, this is what the product looks like on this side, and here's the side when you guys do open it. So you can see the actual bag itself or the crate itself is actually collapsible for you guys to fold it up and open up if you guys want to. But there's this side and the other side. Let me fully open it. So I'm gonna push it down both sides. There's this part inside that you want to take it out, which is like this wrapping. Let me take it out first. There's one on each side, right here. And one more on this side. And inside they also provide you guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up. Let me show you guys really quick. So everything is labeled by steps. So there's a total of 5 different steps, if you can see. Let's take out this part right here. Alright, so I'm gonna bring it down both sides and lock it. Once you guys lock it, there's this part right here. I'm not sure if you can see the video or not, but you guys have to pretty much lock it in place together. So it might be a little bit hard for you guys to do it as I'm looking right now. It's not hard, but it's like you have to get the right angle to actually lock it in for the inside part right here. And you definitely want to be careful when you guys do it. Try not to hurt yourself. So pretty much for this part right here, you guys have to lock it in somehow. Like that. Alright. Got that part. Do the same thing for this side. You just have to get the correct angle when you guys set it up and try not to hurt yourself when you guys do it. Once you guys get the right angle, you just have to push all the way up with all your strength. Just like that. And it's all set. And top right here, they do have a little zipper. So that way you can zip it up like that, which is really nice. But once you guys got it all set up, this is what the product looks like. So we do have the front part right here. And for the front part right here, they do have the option for you guys to open up. So that way they can come out this way if they want to. Or you have a little bit opening for them to actually come out, or like just see stuff if they want to, even though it's like mesh. But inside they also have this little collar thing that you can hook onto the collar, so that way you guys know they're secure inside. And inside they do have this cushion or this padding, so that way when they are inside, it's actually very comfortable if you can see. But once you have it done, you can close it back up, just zip it back up, and that's that side. If I turn to this side, they do have a pocket for you to put stuff here. If you guys do open it, very spacious for you to put a lot of stuff. And I do want to mention the material that they use on here supposedly is like water resistant or waterproof. So that's perfect during like the rainy season when it does get wet or something. But that's this side. If you guys turn again, this side right here is similar to the other side. They do have the opening as well. For it to open up this way as well. So if you guys want to open it this way and the other way, feel free to do so. So that way they can come in and out from either side. I just love how it's like a mesh material, so that way it's breathable for your pet from all different angles. The front, the back, and also the top that I show you guys as well, which is really nice. And also on this side, it's also a little bit breathable. They do have this little hole as well, which is really nice. But if you guys do turn this way, this is another way for it to come out. So if you guys want to open it here as well, you do have the option. So very cool and very convenient how they give you guys so many different ways for you to use it. And yeah, you can see throughout the corners, throughout the product, they do have this very nice cover or protection. So that way you guys don't have to worry about it getting hurt or damaged on the product when you guys do use it. And also I love the fact that how both sides, they do have a little handle for you to carry around really easy as well. Whether when it's fully open or when you guys are fully closed. And if you guys are curious about which one I got, this one right here, I believe is a light gray color, but they do have this available in another color with a charcoal gray. And in terms of the size that we do have, this I believe was like a medium size, but they do have this available in a bigger or smaller size. So depending on how big or how small your pet is, that is how you determine which one to get. I think a Samoyed can probably fit in here, or maybe a Husky, but it's kind of pushing it. You probably want to get something like a large or extra large just to be safe. But if you guys do have something small like a Corgi or something, it's perfect for them inside right here. So that's everything for all the different angles. Now let me show you the bottom. So this is what the bottom part looks like. I'm not sure the material that's on here is like a anti-slip material, but it's actually a pretty high quality material when you guys do feel it. So it's gonna be very durable. And I love how throughout the product on this side and also the other side, they do have this option right here. So that way, if you guys want to leash your pet and keep it intact right here, you guys do have the option available as well. So that is everything that's on the product in terms of how to set it up. Now let me show you guys how to put it away. So the way how you guys put it away is actually very easy. Just do the same thing what you guys did earlier, but reverse it. So open the top part. And you guys want to unleash the top part for the bar right here and this as well. And like I mentioned, do be careful when you guys do it. So let's turn it around and do this as well. You just want to pull the bar backwards and just pull it down quickly so that way it won't hurt yourself. All right. And once you guys finish that step, you guys want to pull the bar on both sides of the bottom to bring it back up. If you guys want to be safe, kind of hold it in the bottom right here and bend it up. So that way it won't hurt yourself when you guys do it. So just bring it back up together. And then you do have the strap on both sides. You can push it back inside here for now to make it look nicer. And then we do have the strap on both sides right here to strap it. Same thing for our side. And once you guys do that, you guys all set. So very easy and very simple for you to assemble it and put it away, if you can see. So that is everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this part, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. If you guys need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality collapsible dog crate to use for your pet, regardless if it's a cat or dog or whatever. So that way you can bring it along when you guys are traveling or something. Then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously with those you guys who don't want or don't need one or have you want these, obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.